I'm so glad you're back here with me on this Thor News East Coast bad weather day. And wow, do I have some tricks to show you. Tricks for your face. Did you spot it? Well, I was lighting my smoke. Okay, this is our storm that we are watching, or have been watching on the East Coast right about here. Boom. That's two low pressure systems coming together with a front to form a major rain event. Cool? You got that clear? Did you spot the thing I'm about to show you? I got a feeling you did. That's why you're here with me. Oop. There it is. Boom. Look at that area. I mean, look at it. That is wild. These are crazy days, people. These are crazy days indeed. So, smoker, if you got them, love the one you're with. Try and be nice, kind and cool, and enjoy the things in life. So there's our giant storm right here. And she has just been wild. I gotta come up with better words. It's like, I don't know, my brain ain't working so well. But if you watch, notice how there's a straight up motion. Like, this is your jet stream. It's so crazy. It comes over, and it dips down, and then it shoots straight back up. Like, that's more of a roller coaster than a stream, really. But I ain't so good with the words. Look at it blowing straight up. This has happened multiple times. And watches the trough till it's negative. The last time, that looked like side boob. Side boob is totally a scientific meteorological term. But the thing I want to talk to you about. Now, we're going in conspiracy theory territory here. Oh, look who's at the top of our feed. I'm gonna like your tweet, Melissa Constanzer. Power outages from downed trees will be a concern throughout the Northeast as we start the work week. All right. So, but that's not why I came over here. That was a wonderful surprise. Trick or treat. Yeah, date with me, ladies and gentlemen. What did I see that made me... Oh, yeah, this. That says 102 miles per hour. I mean, it's off the coast. But that says 102 miles per hour. I'm pretty sure that'll be my thumbnail. Right there. Just let me get a good sexy face. How about inquisitive? Or surprised? Or like, angry. How dare you? Alright. So that's over by Hampton Bays, Shirley, Holtzville, Coram. Who knows? Maybe it's super high in the atmosphere because the highest wind totals I was seeing before that were at 69. No, that was really one of them. And where did it go? There we go. There's my 69 I was looking for. So, yeah, we are up to 70 mile per hour winds, which I think officially puts us in hurricane wind territory. Never mind. Give me a moment, please. Can you? How are you? How was your Halloween? Did you get any candy? Did you dress up? Oh man, I can't find it. That totally blows. And not in a good way. Okay, now let's watch this one, shall we? Together. You and I. Look at that whole system. Hold on. Let me move me. I'm in the wrong place. I'm obstructing the science. Hiding. I'm in hiding again. Yeah, so there's our... Holy crap. Yeah, when you look at it like that, it's a big system, man. It's a real big system. I'm gonna watch the last part again, shall we? You and I together. Because there was like a fight. People were saying that, even though the models were saying one area, was it Cape Cod, would get 120 mile per hour winds. Some meteorologists were getting mad, saying, no, that model always overdoes it. And it's like, I was thinking, you know, if the models are going to report it and they're going to have it be official models, then it's fair game, you know? And so, we'll see, but that's one heck of a storm. So the storm really started about 7:30, so we're, what, a sixth through the storm? Maybe a fifth, fourth, who knows? We will find out. But which one? Speaking of AccuWeather, let's go to their site and check out their, because this precipitation model looks wild. You gotta come up like wild. It looks too bacular. It's not. Man, do you remember in The Simpsons when Homer Simpson came up with tobacco? I would put that on my salad right now. I'd probably eat a salad if that was the case. But so, I wonder how many miles that is to, like, West Virginia, all the way up to... That's a lot of rain being dropped to people. It'll be interesting to see what type of flooding situation is happening. Yeah, so this is weird because they're both supposed to be in real time. Yeah, let me update it just in case. So that is the GFS. And that is a European. This is only saying 52.49. But I guess this is sustained wind. And then the other one is probably gusts. Oh man, stop holding your microphone like a bad audio guy. But yeah, this puts the low. Let's go to pressure, shall we? We're at 984. And so, what was it, just 7 hours ago? We were at 1,000. This Poor News segment is brought to you by Liquids. Liquids are good. You working with me over there, Planet 9? I wish you could talk. Co-host would be fantastic. Alright, let's see how we're doing on the rain. It's 2.2 inches. I gotta find a site that gives me rain totals. How accumulated rain? I bet it does. I just haven't found it. yeah, that's a good storm there. But it's weird how the two models are so different. Because, like, this is supposed to be how it is now. I guess it's perception. Even the artificial intelligences see things differently. Life is sure surprising. GFS definitely has the New York getting the wet donkey punch. That's a scientific term, also. So, I don't know, I kind of want to Google Maps. I wish I knew New York and the East Coast better. But if wishes were fishes, then I could fill the sea. So there we go. I will keep you guys updated. We'll see. I don't know, you think it's someone I'll crap out. We'll see though. Like I said I was to do this at 420. Yeah, look at that. That's definitely a crazy system. Crazy. Crazy for feeling blue. Ooh. Crazy for trying. Crazy for crying. So this is just saying 30-mile-per-hour winds in New York, which is interesting. Ooh. I bet it'd be funnier if I could look into your eyes. I would be more inspired. But whatever. I'm having fun. It still looks... The rain looks like a giant fist. There's some guy over here pointing. Is that like a ray gun? That's weird. But these are crazy days indeed. I want to thank Planet X for hanging out with me. Thank you, Planet X. Oh, it's blue now, 9. Planet 11. Planet 13. That looks spooky. Alright. Okay, I'm done. There's no way you're going to want to make out with me this day's over. Okay. Peace out. Talk to you guys.